What's up, guys? Welcome back to RK Backyard Boarding. We are super excited. We just got about 6 inches or so of snow. I don't have a ton of time today, so I'm just going to get a couple clips, and then I'm going to show some clips from Katie and I's first day at troll hogging, and then Sheezy and Drewski's trip to Vail. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you at the end. We are on the first lift of the 2019-2020 season here at troll hogging. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, I didn't have a ton of time today, but we should have a lot more time in this next coming week to get a bunch more clips and hopefully get some more videos out to you guys. So country roads.
Country roads, take me home to the place